Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a static text in CapCut. So in CapCut, there are so many fonts options that you can choose. Here you can see there are so many fonts that you can use in here, but if you want to add like more, you want to search for more aesthetic text, you can also explore in this. So I download a font from this dafont.com, and you can see there are so many free fonts that you can choose, and you can also download it and add it to your CapCut. So here I'm going to, for example, I want to use these blackout. Just click on download. Click on download and it will be automatically downloaded in here, and after you can just go to your CapCut, and here in the font here you can see there are the plus icon. There is a plus icon. Just click on that and click on upload file, and then find the templates that you want to add. For example, these are my previous download font, and you can just click on that and it will be automatically imported to CapCut like this. Import font. So this I already add one. So for example in here, so I suggest you to use more than one type of fonts to make the text looks more aesthetic. So in this case I'm going to use this hello, and then I'm going to add another text Monday, for example, and then here for the second text choose a different font. For example, this one's right here, and then here I'm going to adjust the size like this. You can also add some colors into it, or you can also add like some animation to make it looks more aesthetic like this, and you can also add some drawing, for example like texture. Okay, I'm going to add probably this one, for example. You can just here use that to to make it looks more aesthetic. That's up to you. Okay guys, so that is how you can make an aesthetic text in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.